The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Pixel 3a Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 3a is not her own prepaid at Verizon Wireless, so you guys are interested in getting this one. It's available now. So we're on two colors here, just black here, purple colors here, we're on 64 gigs, and it's $399.99, alright? So there's the Pixel 3a, this is a 3a. So there you guys go. You guys have the power button on the right side, and on the right side as well. You got the focusing camera, earpiece, and stuff like that there. The camera does get there a bit down the back. Like I said, power button, volume keys on the right. It has a two-tone color on the back, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and your Google logo on the back. There's an all from the wind there, and whatnot, right? So it says here, introducing the Google Pixel 3a Prepaid, the convenience of Google system, the confidence of a custom-made Titan security chip, and the power of a 7-hour adaptive battery. All on a smartphone with advanced camera features like night sight and portrait mode. The Google Pixel 3a comes in just black and purplish colors. Unleashed full potential with Verizon, the nation's most awarded network. So, yeah, there you go. The Pixel 3a has 13 days of standby time, 32 hours of usage time, 12.2 megapixel forward-facing camera, 2.8 inches in width, and 6 inches in height. There. Hey Google, get it done. Get more done with an extraordinary camera, fast charging battery, and the helpful Google Assistant built in. Capture better pictures with night sight. You'll never want to use your flash again. Night sight lets you capture rich detail and color even in the dark. Pixel extraordinary camera, all for your moments. Take flawless photos with portrait mode, capture beautiful portrait that focus on your subject as the background fades into blur. Free unlimited storage with Google Photos. Save all your photos and videos for free unlimited storage at high quality with Google Photos. Keep everyone in focus. Motion autofocus will make sure that the people and pets in your shot stay sharp as you snap away. Know who's calling and why. So this is a new feature from Google here. This is on the Pixel devices for right now. It says let the Google Assistant help screen your calls so you know who's calling and why before you pick up. So this is where I wish every phone had this feature, so it will tell you who's calling you. So that's a great feature to have, and I hope that more phones will get this feature every time. Hope so, because that's a great feature right there. Charges fast, lasts all day. Get more done with an adaptive battery that delivers 7 hours of use, and just get more done with an adaptive battery that delivers 7 hours of use on just a 15-minute charge. It's designed to learn your favorite apps and reduce power to the ones you rarely use. More to love with Pixel 3a. 3 years of security and OS updates. Keep your phone protected against the latest threats and performance at its best. Keep your data protected. The custom-made Titan security chips help secure the operating system and your most sensitive data like passwords. Keep more of what you love. Use the quick switch adapter to transfer your messages, contacts, and photos to your new device. So that's pretty cool. So it has the Titan chip, the Titan name chip in there for advanced security and stuff like that. The Pixel 3a specs are here. You have Android Pie, of course, 64 gigabytes of storage. I think it has 4 gigs of RAM. It's available in just black and purplish colors. Network is there. Wi-Fi Dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC. Snapdragon 670 octa-core processor, HC voice, and advanced calling, LTE advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's a mobile device which works in 200 countries. Standby time 13 days, usage time 32 hours. 12.2 megapixel front-facing camera, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. The Pixel 3a has 2.8 inches in width. The Pixel 3a weighs 5.19 ounces. The height of the Pixel 3a is 6 inches. The depth is 30.30 inches. The screen on the Pixel 3a is 5.6 inches Full HD Plus. It's an OLED panel at 441 ppi and it has 3000 mAh battery. If you guys need help with your Pixel 3a, Verizon's here to help you out with that as well, with device support, so you guys need to heads up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, and all that. Device support can help you out with that, so shout out to Verizon for that. And what comes in the box is the Pixel 3a smartphone, place on SIM card, 9 removable battery, 18-watt USB-C power adapter, USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, SIM tool, endpoint consumer safety information, product safety, and 2 brochures. Alright. So do you guys have the Pixel 3a? It's not hard to add. Verizon Prepaid for $399.99 for a retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It does mean a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.